How's it going, guys? It's Abib here again, CEO and founder of Smart E-commerce, where we help e-commerce brands increase sales and profit using the power of email and SMS marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom properties in Klaviyo. I'm going to be showing you exactly how we do it and how you can do this for yourself. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing first, we need to understand what profile property is. Profile property is basically any information about a specific contact. And by default, you will have some custom properties where people sign up to your email list. So you have to collect them separately. And also you can collect any type of information you like about a specific contact using custom properties. So you can use this kind of information to tailor your content to those segments or to those people. So let's talk about examples of custom properties and some use cases. And the first one is gender. So you can collect gender information about your subscriber. And the second one is birthday. So you can collect birthday information from your email subscribers. You can also collect size information from your email subscribers or shopping preference, or use these properties in your survey and questionnaire. So how do you add a custom property to a profile? There are two major ways to add a custom property to a profile. You can either do it manually by yourself, you can input this information manually. But if you have thousands of email subscribers, this doesn't make sense to do it manually. So the best way to do it is basically asking people to give you this information. So how do you collect custom property information directly from your email subscribers? So you can collect custom property from your subscribers when they sign up to your email list. Another way is using the manage preference page, and also you can use a link. So I'm going to be showing you how to collect custom property using each of these methods. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is using the sign up form to collect a custom property. So as you can see in this example, we have the email opt-in, SMS opt-in, and profile information. In this case, we are collecting birthday information as a custom property. So to create this, I'm going to delete this right here and show you how to add the block here. All you need to do is click on these add blocks. I just want to drag the date. You want to drag the date here, and here you can have the year as well, depending on how you want it. Which means that anytime somebody fill up the pop-up form here and they get to this profile information and they fill in their birthday information, this birthday will be registered to that specific profile. And this is how you can collect birthday information from people signing up to your email list. And it's the same logic if you want to collect a gender information or whatever information you want to collect. You just have to click on steps and click on profile information, add a step, and do the same thing for the next step you want to create. So when you're done, you can just publish the form and start collecting this information you asked for. Another way to do this is using the subscribe page right here. So you want to go to settings. So here you want to click on settings, then click on orders. And this is going to take you to this page. So here you want to click on edit page. And see here we are collecting email, name, last name, whatever you want to collect. And the same logic as the pop-up form, you just want to drag whatever information you want to collect. So let's say in this case, we want to collect gender information. We just want to drag this radio button here. So here you want to say something like gender. I'm just going to click on that. And here you want to have gender. So obviously I don't have this gender property, so I'm going to create a gender property. So it's going to create gender property here. Then I can now have this option here. I can have male. Then this is going to be option 1. This is going to be male. So it's going to add the new value there. Create male. Second, boom. So option 2, female. I'm gonna do that as well. So that's how you can collect the gender information, and if you want, you can put other. That's gonna for some other people, they might prefer to just have that. And we can just put other. Right, so you can do the same thing for pets. You can say, what kind of pets do you have? Do you have dogs or cats or whatever? So this is another way to collect custom property from email subscribers. The next one is using a manage preference page. Here on the consent page, we see this manage preference page. I just want to click on edit page. So similar to the previous method I showed you, you want to drag whatever field you want to collect and drag that here and collect the custom property you want from this email subscriber. The third method, which is also my favorite, is using a link. So basically you want to customize this link based on the information you want to collect. Insert this link in your email campaigns or maybe your email flows. So let's say we want to paste this link in our email campaign. So I'm going to be using this template here. Just as an example, let's say I want to collect a gender information. So here I'm going to say profile property is going to equal gender And property value, this is gonna be male. I'm gonna do the same thing for female. And the redirect link could be your website. So let's say somebody click on this button, they'll be redirected to your website or whatever you want them to go. So here I'm just going to put my website there, smartecommerce.com, and I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to have it in this button. So here I'm going to say something like male, since the first one, and I'll do the same thing for the female. So here I'm going to edit that to gender equals female, right? And if I want to do for others, I will just do the same thing. Let me change this first, female and other, right? So I'll also update that to other. So let's say you send a campaign out and you want to use this campaign to collect profile information. As soon as somebody click on any of these buttons, now register that property into that person's profile. And you can use this property to send them emails that are tailored to them and use it to optimize your email marketing revenue. So the last part is creating a segment based on custom property information. All you need to do is go to list and segment, then click on create segment. So let's say I want to create a female gender property. I'm going to create a segment called females, or let's say the females, something like that. Then I'm going to go to properties about someone, and dimension is going to be gender, so that's the value. But because we don't have anyone who have already created this property, it's not going to show here. But let's say you have sent this email campaign, or you send this flow, or people are already giving you this gender property on the form, you will see that value here. So it's going to be gender, right, based on what we created before, and it's going to be equals, that's going to be female, so you see that here. And if you want to see the one I created for birthday, there's a video here. It's going to show you how to collect birthday information from customers and how to create a birthday flow. So you can watch the video if you want to create birthday flows and collect birthday information from email subscribers. So that'll be all for this video. If you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question for me, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.